Hey food lovers! Today, we're diving into a sweet and savory Nigerian twist on a classic, plantain moi moi. It's simple, delicious, and full of flavor. In my last video, I shared how I prep and store my plantains. However, I left some out, hoping to use them soon, but had no time to do as planned. So, instead of just trashing the overripened plantains, I decided to make something delicious out of them. So let's get started.
Here's what you'll need. 2 ripe plantains, 1 cup of cornmeal or semolina, I'm using blended oats, 1 small onion if available, 1 red bell pepper, a Scotch bonnet pepper or 2, if you like it spicy, palm oil or vegetable oil, seasoning cubes, salt, and a bit of crayfish and Maggi, fish optional but highly recommended, and some water for blending. Carefully chop your plantain into the blender and blend it first before adding other recipes. Pour in your blended oats or cornmeal or flour, whatever is your choice, and add sufficient water for blending. Blend it to a smooth consistency. I had to transfer it to a bigger blender so I can add all my other recipes to blend them together. Cut your sweet pepper into chunks and add it to the blender. Aside its sweet taste, this also gives your moi moi that beautiful red color. Blend everything together until they are well blended to give a smooth consistency and all your recipes are well mixed together. Add a tablespoon of vegetable or red palm oil. Top this up with your protein of choice. I am using dried Maggi fish. I have to debone it before tipping into my Moi Moi. Apology if you don't eat fish, you can use eggs or any proteins of your choice. Give it a thorough stir for some minutes and add little water intermittently until your desired consistency. Now put your Moi Moi mixture into the Moi Moi leaf wraps, greased pans or cooking foils depending on your choice and availability. After tasting the oven-baked Moi Moi and almost finishing all of it at a go, I decided to bake another one in a bigger quantity and everyone in my house loved it. Let me know in the comment section which method you tried before and which is your most preferred one. What will you be eating your Moi Moi with?